Debo desempacar. Debo.
Means, I must, or, I have to. It's the first person singular form of the verb.
Deber.
Which means, to owe, or, to have to. Pronounced.
day-boh.
With a soft
De.
sound and the emphasis on the first syllable. It expresses obligation or necessity.
Desempacar.
Means to unpack. It's a verb formed from
De.
a prefix indicating reversal or separation, and
Empacar.
to pack. Pronounced
Day-sem-pah-car.
with the emphasis on the first syllable. The
Empacar.
part itself shares roots with words signifying
Bundle.
or
Package.
putting it together.
Debo desempacar.
Means, I have to unpack, or, I must unpack. It's a simple and straightforward statement expressing a necessary action.